In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Printful with Prestashop in just 5 easy minutes. Whether you're new to the e-commerce scene or a seasoned pro looking to expand your store's capabilities, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's start by heading over to Printful's website. If you're already a user, simply log in with your credentials. If you're not yet a member, take a moment to sign up and create an account. Creating your account is straightforward. Make sure to use an email that you frequently check, as Printful will be sending you important notifications and updates. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Stores section on your dashboard. You'll see an option that says See All, click on it, and a range of options will appear. From there, locate Prestashop, which is the platform we're going to integrate with Printful today. Once you find it, click on Connect next to the Prestashop option. At this point, you'll want to download the Printful module. There should be a direct link or a button that says click here to download. This will initiate the download of the module file, which you'll need for the next part of the process. Next, let's switch gears and head over to your Prestashop admin area. Use your credentials to log in, ensuring you have admin access since you'll be making changes to the store's setup. Once inside, look for the modules section in your dashboard. Click on it and it will direct you to the management area where you handle all your store modules. Within the modules section, find and select Module Manager. This is where you'll be able to add new modules to your Prestashop store, one of the many features that makes Prestashop a robust and flexible platform. Now look for the option to upload a module. Click on this option and it will prompt you to choose a file from your computer. Click on Select File and navigate to where you downloaded the Printful module. Upload this module and follow the prompts to install it on your Prestashop store. The process is quite straightforward, but do make sure the installation completes successfully before moving on. Once the module is installed, you'll want to click on Configure, which allows you to connect it using an API key from Printful. Make sure you have your API key handy. This key is crucial as it allows seamless integration and communication between your Prestashop store and Printful. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Printful with Prestashop, opening new avenues for managing your products, orders, and much more. By integrating these platforms, you're ensuring that your e-commerce operations become not only more efficient but also scalable. Make sure to regularly check for updates on both platforms to maintain smooth integration. Thank you for watching and happy selling.